Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Triumph Daytona 675. This super sport only has 6,000 miles. Beautiful red finish, 3-cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injected. This bike is very powerful. Price itself is just $89.99. Make your Triumph Daytona dreams come true with this beautiful 16. Just checked out our service department. Fantastic condition. We have financing, we have extended service contracts, only $89.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. He is ready to go. Don't miss out on this one. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.